guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Khadija. In today's video, we're partnering with FT.Nadula Hair. They sent us this lovely unit. All the hair details will be down below for anybody who want to make their purchase. Go ahead and check out the video to see how I install this, and until next time, I'll see you guys in another video. So we received a robe and a goodie bag. So the unit we're working with is a 24-inch Jerry curls unit, but this is not their regular unit. This is their air lace wig. The wig comes pre-cut, pre-plucked, and the strap is already attached. This is their breathable lace, and it has that silicone strap that allows your head to breathe while you're wearing your wig. It's a super fast grab and go install. So I'm just gonna go ahead and move along to the install. Whenever I'm doing a glueless or a closure unit, I really like to make baby hair on my natural hair because it acts as edges for the wig. Because normally the closure unit is a 4x4 unit, so it typically stops like right there on your forehead. So when you make the baby hair, you can pull your wig back and it still looks natural. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make some baby hair. I will be using my Cream of Nature edge control. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and put a wig cap over this. So now I'm just going to go ahead and apply some foundation to my lace. This is the lace without foundation. This is it. It's already pre-plucked and pre-cut for us. Just going to apply some foundation and then we put our wig on. Alright guys, this is the wig now that we put it on. It's given super natural at the hairline. And it is completely glueless. So this is the unit. I feel like it's coming out super pretty. There's not much that I did to it. It comes straight out the box looking super fly, pre-cut, pre-plucked. Everything was done to the unit before it arrived. It is super fluffy, super pretty, and it is super natural at the roots. Like, I love it. This is a straight out the box install, and this is the vibes that we're getting. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Lock to Body mousse to get some curls into the unit. I will be going in smaller portions. I feel like I curl the unit better when I do that. I'm just going to go ahead and apply some of my BioSilk Silk Therapy. So this is the finished look. Super pretty. Love it. This is it. I love the fact that it's super fast to install, and it is very convenient for those people who prefer not to glue their wig, and then it turns out super natural. I love the curl pattern. I love how the hairline turned out. I love everything about this unit. I would definitely give it a 10. It did shed a little but not a lot. Overall, I just love the unit. I would definitely give it a 10 out of 10. I love it. This is it. Super fast, super pretty, completely glueless. I want to say shout out to Nadula Hair for sending us this lovely unit. This is where I leave you guys for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave some comments down below. Let me know how you feel about this unit. And then I'll see you guys in another video.